to change the valve into a electronic control valve. I already cut this part of the copper and the PVC pipe. I use a PVC pipe cutter to cut the PVC pipe, and I use the copper cutter. I bought this from Home Depot, about $10, to cut the copper pipe. And my next step is gonna cut this one. Now I have to saw this together, and I bought the joint, and with the copper 3/4 inches, and I put connector here and here because I want to extend the valve at least 12 inches high above the ground. It's recommended to prevent the backflow of the dirty water into your home. And now I'm doing the soldering, and I'm gonna turn the camera over. Don't know if you can see. Now it's getting dark. I have to turn on my flashlight on my head. I need to apply the flux. The flux help to help the connection better, so allow the lid to get in there better. You can apply the flux with the brush, but I use my finger. It's okay. The flux look like that. So I'm gonna apply this end first. Now I'm going to connect them together. Maybe I applied too much flux.